Now, on today's episode, we are going to learn about the operating system. We are going to see the first topic, okay? First topic of operating system. Here we have seen that, okay? Let's overlook operating system. Instructor ER Saurabh Karan. Operating system, app user, application, operating system, hardware, textbook review. This is the textbook reference also, credit hours, marks distribution, assignment, marks attendance, assignment tutorials, class test assignment, class performance, presentation, project work, attendance based on lab report, performance in lab, viva. Okay, note. Now we are going to discuss about the history of the operating system, basic element, processor, I/O modules, main memory, system bus, processor referred to as a central processing unit, arithmetic logic unit, control unit, performs a data processing function, control the operation of the computer, main memory, volatile content of the memory is lost when the computer is shut down, referred to as the primary memory, RAM. I/O modules, input output modules is the device that act as the connective bridge between a computer system at the one end and I/O or a peripheral device at the other, such as printer or a webcam or a scanner. Moves data between the computer and external environments such as storage, hard drive, communication equipment, terminal. Bus system provide communication among the processor, main memory, and I/O modules. CPU, memory, input, output, control bus, address bus, data bus, system bus. Computer architecture, central processing unit, control unit, arithmetic logic unit, register, PC, CIR, AC, MAR, MDR, memory unit, input device. Input unit, it provides the data and instruction to the computer system. Commonly used as the input device are the keyboard, mouse, magnetic tape, etc. Input device, central processing unit, arithmetic logic unit, register, PC, CIR, AC, MAR, MDR, memory unit. Input unit performs the following tasks: accept the data and instruction from the outside environment, convert into the machine language, supply the converted data to a computer system. Output unit, it connect the internal system of the computer to the external environment, provide the result of any computation or instruction to the outside. Hold some output device are the printer, monitor, etc. Central processing unit, storage unit, it holds the data and instruction. It store the intermediate result before, and these are sent to the output device. It also store the data for the later use. The storage unit of the computer system can be divided into two categories: primary storage and secondary storage. Central processing unit, input device, output device, control unit, arithmetic logic unit, register. Memory unit, primary storage, the memory is used to store the data which is being currently executed. It is used for the temporary storage of the data. The data is lost when the computer is switched off. RAM is used as the primary memory. Input device, output device, central processing unit, control unit, arithmetic logic unit, register, PC, CIR, AC, MAR, MDR, memory unit. A secondary storage, the secondary storage is slower and the cheaper than the primary memory. It is used for the permanent storage of the data. Commonly used as the secondary memory devices are the hard disk and the CD. Now here central processing unit, arithmetic logic unit, and the control unit, two are the together known as the CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. It performs the following tasks: performs all the operation, takes all the decision, control all the unit of the computer: central processing unit, control unit, arithmetic logic unit, output device, PC, CIR, AC, MAR, MDR, input device, memory unit. Arithmetic logic unit, central processing unit, control unit, arithmetic logic, input device, output device, register, PC, CIR, AC, MAR, MDR, memory unit. The ALU can perform the basic operations such as addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, etc. Whenever the calculation are required, the control unit transfer the data from storage unit to ALU. When the operation are done, the result is transferred back to the storage unit. Control unit, it controls all the other unit of the computer. It controls the follow of data instruction to from storage unit to ALU. Thus, it is also known as the central nervous system to the computer. Central processing unit, control unit, input device, output device, arithmetic logic unit, register, PC, CIR, AC, MAR, MDR, memory unit. Introduction to the operating system history. introduction and generation of the operating system, objective, resource manager, and extended machine types of operating system, function of operating system. Bill Gates termed Windows 1.0 Unix software designed for the serious PC users. The OS allowed the user to point and click. The SS programmer application included Paint, calculator, card file, notepad, and write word processor. Some interesting fact about Windows 1.0 1985 Windows at 1.0 had the minimum color of 16-bit reference and it was less than 1 MB in size. It required minimum 256 KB double-sided floppy disk drive and graphics adapter card. Language introduction and generation of the operating system. What is operating system? A computer system consists of various hardware such as processor, RAM, keyboard, and the mouse, hard disk, monitor, printer, who manage and control this hardware operating system. It is the software layer nearest to the hardware which facilitates launching of all the software program, utility, and application in operating system is the collection of software that manage the hardware resources, provide the various service to the user. It act as an intermediary between the user of the computer and the computer hardware. Example of the operating system. Windows, Android, Linux, Ubuntu, and this one is Mac OS. I think I don't have knowledge about this. Okay. Where does the OS lie? Interaction in the OS in the hardware, web browser, email reader, music player, software user program, operating system, hardware. OS lies between the hardware and the user program. It acts as an intermediary between the user and the hardware, user in the OS. OS facilitate use of the resources by hiding the local details and presenting an interface which is convenient to use. Mm, and then, for instance, computer games, email browsing, and preparing document are application launched by simply clicking one queue item. How easy it is. User one, user two, user n. System and application program, operating system, computer hardware. Mode of the operation of the computer. Kernel mode has a complete process to all the hardware and can execute an instruction that the machine is capable of executing. Yeah, the high privilege, right? Web browser, email reader, music player, user mode, kernel mode. User mode can execute only subset few of the machine instruction as a less privileged, right? Application program, memory management, process management, time management, file system management, IO system manage. The kernel core is the core of the operating system. It is responsible for managing the system resources and communication among the hardware and the system services. Kernel act as an abstraction between the system resources and user application. How to switch in user, web browser, turbo C, music player, user program, operating system, kernel mode, user mode. One user is writing a program in the C, once finishing writing will execute user mode program, perform the trap instruction to execute this program, load a program into the RAM. Program is executed by the processor. History of the operating system 1995 to 55, vacuum tubes 1955 to 1965, transistor and batch processing 1965 to 1980, ICS and multi-programming 1980 to present personal computer. History of the operating system, first generation vacuum tubes are used in this system. Vacuum tubes, clock board. Okay. History of the second generation 1955 to 1965, transistor are used in this system. The machine that produce are called the mainframe. Batch processing are used for processing card reader, tape drive, input tape, system tape, output tape, printer. History of operating system, third generation 1965 to 1980. Integrated circuit, ICS, are used in the place of the transistor in this computer. It provides the multi-programming, the ability to have seen several programs in memory at once, and each in its own memory partition. History of OS, fourth generation personal computer, LSI, large scale integration circuit chips containing thousands of transistors are used in this system. Okay, now this much for today. We have read about the operating system. Okay.